Hello and a very warm welcome to all viewers. Welcome to my channel Fit by Robin Gogoi. We'll be doing some martial arts today, karate and boxing, kickboxing. Are you ready for some punch and kicks? Make sure you're wearing good shoes, you've got a good cushion surface, got water to drink and good ventilation. Make sure you're comfortable. Let's play the music and warm up. Are you ready? Let's work out. Skip side to side. Core engaged, keep arms close to your body, clench your fists. Gonna shift side to side, diagonally skip. Keep a point of focus, change sides, the opposite side, diagonal skip, forward and back, side to side, foot and heel down. Let's get the heart rate up and pumping. Let's warm up the body for the activity. Front and back again. Change sides. Keep skipping. Step it up, roll your shoulders and arms, circle, out to inside. And change sides, reverse. Up, down. Raise your hands and drop down. Soft elbows, give a little thrust on the way down. Crisscross arms, back in the chest. Strong abs. Keep moving. Up, down. One arm up, one arm down. Circle the hips. Imagine a big circle, turn it around comfortably. Reverse it. Opposite side circle. Feet wider, bend sideways, right to left. Soft knees, abdominals tucked in. Keep your spine up, chest up, and keep your shoulders down. Are you guys comfortable? Move with me. Arms front, back to back. Twist the spine. Rotate, look behind you. Keep your chin up, nice and tall posture. Make sure you're breathing comfortably throughout your workout. Bend forward down, soft knees, go all the way, look up. Inhale, exhale. Anybody at the back issue? Half bend, if you're comfortable, bend all the way down and go up. Breathe in, breathe out. Take the boxing guard, we're going to stretch the legs, front to back, hip to hamstrings. Keep your front knee slightly bent. Straight up, switch legs, opposite side, swing forward and back down. Comfortably on that front stance. Stretch. Turn sideways, inner legs. Bend the supporting knee, bring the arm down and lift the leg up. Squeeze your tummy, change legs, switch. Inner leg stretch, keep moving. Front to back, we open up the hip, activate the butt muscles, abdominals tightly tucked in, front knee slightly bent, arm in the leg, hinge forward, switch sides. Slight drop, abdominals tight, lift the leg to the back and down. Alright, turn the hips, knee inside out. Rotation of the hips. Remember, strong to the midsection. Keep your chest lifted. Breathe comfortably. Are you with me? Turn and change to the other side, out to inside. Land softly. Keep the control. Circle the hips. One more round. Change, reverse it. Listen, are you ready? Knee ups, alternate. Squeeze the tummy, just in front of the hips. Drop the elbows a little bit, keep the tension to the abs, lift the knee in front. 45-degree, knee up. You set up before the kicks. Keep moving. Opposite leg, knee ups. Keep moving. We're going sideways. Lift the knee a little higher now. Opposite leg. Lift the knee a little higher. Skip and jump up. Strong abs. Let's get the heart rate up. Inhale, up to the side. From the midsection, breathe out, imagine the wall. Raise the arms up from the side. Take a deep breath. Push from the midsection, breathe out. Clench your fists, inhale, open the palms, push forward, breathe out. Okay, take the stance. We can do some combination, 3 punches and a front kick. It's a 1, 2, 3 punch and a front kick. Remember to lift the knee, kick and pull back immediately like an elastic band. Use the ball of the foot to make contact, push the kick forward and down. 3 punches, kick, right, left, right, the front leg front kick. Change side, 3 punches, left, right, left, and the front kick with the left leg. Remember to kick with the front leg. Kick and quickly retract the leg, pull back. Use the ball of the foot. A little more speed, control. Very nice, shake, shake, shake. Ready for the next round, next combination. Lift the knee, alternate. Step, 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 knee up. Raise the knee, alternate. Knee, step, step, step. Little front kick now, release the leg. Nice and easy. Knee up, knee up. A little hop, little jump. Little intensity, keep the control. Shake, shake, shake. Breathe in, up from the side. Inhale, open the palms, push, strong midsection. Inhale, clench your fist. Push into the wall, strong. One more, breathe in and breathe out. Ready for the next round. Listen, 3 plus 1. 3 punches with a little hip twist and a side kick, the blade side kick. Get a punch and the side kick. Lift the knee from the knee to the hip level. Make the foot like a blade. Kick and pull back. Same technique. Lift the leg, release the leg, pull it back. Change sides. 3 plus 1. 3 punches and a side kick on the opposite leg. 1, 2, 3. Kick. Retract. Pull the punches, pull the kick back safely. Good form, good technique. Shake, shake, shake. Ready for the next round. Three plus 1. Next combination. 3 elbow strikes forward with a roundhouse kick. 3 plus 1. Kick with the pointed toe up. Change sides. 3 elbows forward with a roundhouse kick. Lift the knee, kick with the toe, retract the leg back down. Keep the rhythm in control. Little more energy. Shake, shake, shake. Skip up. Breathe in and strong push, center, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Next round, are you ready? You're going to do the blocks, all 4. Down block, the outer block, the inner block, the upper block, the defense technique. Down block, the outer midsection, the inner midsection, the upper head, upper block. Down, out, in and up. All 4. Take the wider stance, the horse riding stance. Down, outer, inner, the double arm defense. Down, midsection and up. Keep your abs tight. Make sure you're breathing comfortably and strongly. Squeeze the muscles of your arms. Nice. Shake, shake, shake. Breathe in and breathe out. Ready for the next round. Kick 1, kick 2, kick 3. Here's the front kick, the side kick, and the roundhouse kick. 3 kicks. Front kick, side kick, roundhouse kick. Front kick, the side kick, the roundhouse kick. Best of 3 kicks. Skip up. Come on team. Jumping jacks. Burn some calories. soft landing, abs tight, soft knees, foot to heel landing. Squeeze your tummy. Breathe in. Deep breath, exhale, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch easy. Arms to the front of your shoulder, little toe tap. Take it out over the head. Front again. Upside. Circle the hips. Stretch. Reverse, change sides. Turn the hips around in circles. Down and up. Bend your knees a little bit. Drop down to your toes. Lift the spine up. Skip up. Take it easy. Relax. Shake, shake. Hey, listen, well done for today's workout. It was lovely having you guys here. We practice more, we get better, stronger with each day. Subscribe to my channel, share your comments, share your feedback. Hope to see you soon in the next videos. Until then, take care.